Hey there, I'm William Morera, the creator of the smart autonomous circular lifebuoy. The Safe Life 1 is the world's first circular lifebuoy that can track, follow, and transmit GPS coordinates via wireless, GPRS, and satellite. You can control it from your smartphone or computer. It's got a 120-degree angle camera, infrared night vision, and a sensor that detects human movement on the water's surface. It can operate in autonomous mode, searching for human life in a GPS-mapped area, like disaster zones, while streaming real-time images to a monitoring base station. It can sync with a compatible smartwatch to follow a swimmer based on their movements, keeping a safe distance but staying close for emergencies. The lifebuoy's got dual turbines that make it super nimble in steering and movement. You can even control it in real time with VR goggles. It can team up with other buoys for large-scale sweeps in accident-prone water zones. All of this is powered by AI to assist in rescuing human lives on the water's surface. That's the vision of Atlantida Robotics. We're in the patent and prototyping phase, and we're counting on donations to make this project a reality, saving thousands of lives worldwide. Support us on Kickstarter or Patreon. Links are in the description.